All right, everybody. So we got the rest of the stuff on. Carburetor, HEI. Got the fuel hooked up to a can over here. We got the battery just sitting here with vice grips holding it on, because we're just gonna go and see if we can't get something to turn on. So we do have a oil pressure gauge sitting right up here. We'll be able to see it if it makes oil pressure. We've got the HEI wire here. Could be a little bit better on this fuel line here. Could have it
not hitting on that.
Not hitting over there. Let me see if we let me get a zip tie real quick. Don't seem to have any super long ones. I got them. Oh, they're up there. Just to get this out of the way temporarily. I don't want to have too much rubbing around on this thing. Is that a mosquito biting me?
I don't see it. It might be.
It is a mosquito. A mosquito.
The sun's going down.
Yeah. All right, so this is gonna be the last thing we do today. Probably is just get this running. So we've got everything. It looks like we got everything ready to go. We did put oil in it. You can see it on the dipstick. We put that in. We got a bunch of spark plugs, wires. We're pretty sure we got the firing order right.
Sure want this wire coming this way.
We can still adjust this. I believe we're right there at top dead center. We're top dead center here. We're top dead center of the first number one. So we're just going to slightly advance it. With this one? Yeah, that's fine.
Yeah, because it's getting in the way of the throttle.
Oh yeah, we're not going to be using the throttle much. Okay, so we don't have any fuel in it yet, so I got my bottle. But we're going to give it a shot here. Number one is the first thing is to see if this thing will turn over. And here we go. There she goes.
A couple fired off.
She gonna go. I mean, I just barely put a little bit of fuel in there.
Oh, you were right about that. Oh, there's the transmission lines going.
Oh yeah, we forgot about train lines. That's funny.
All
right, we got a big old mess.
Holy shit. I mean.
Okay, slide that underneath. Go ahead, right there. That's good.
We got the pig mats.
They're around up there somewhere, but.
Dang.
All right, we got a burner. That thing sounded great. So we're going to do a little bit of cleanup because we got transmission fluid coming everywhere. I forgot that. We looked 15 times. Forgot the tranny lines. God.
Everywhere.
I hate that.
I'm out.
But hey, that's the way it goes. So, all right, guys. So we got this motor fired. You heard it. It sounds great. And it could rev and everything. And I didn't even bother with the timing yet, but awesome. We'll see y'all soon.